All right, let's say we have a question like this where we're dealing with a uniform probability distribution and we want to find a certain percentile. Well, you have to remember that when we're talking about uniform distributions, that means we just have a rectangle sitting on the number line that ranges from the low end to the upper end. That's our uniform distribution. And remember, the area under any probability distribution always equals 1. So whatever the width is, the height is literally just going to be 1 divided by the width, so that this area is equal to 1. So if we want to find an x value, right, some value here that traps, in this case, 49% of our data in this range, then that means this distance simply has to be 49% of the total distance. Because I'm hoping you can see that, if we cut it exactly in half to get half the area, that would be exactly half the width. All right, so what's our total width? Well, that's easy. 61 minus 38, right, gives us 23. And now we just have to figure out 49% of 23, so 0.49 times 23. Get your calculators. 0.49 times 23 equals, that gives us 1127. So the distance in yellow is 1127, right? That distance is 1127. But to find the actual x, we just have to add that to 38, right? Because that's the distance, add it to 38, that gives us the value. And that tells us that the 49th percentile is 49.27, and it's a complete and utter coincidence that 49 is the 49th. It just happens to be because of the width and where it's centered and all that stuff. Okay, but that's the process. It's real simple. You just got to figure out whatever percentile you're looking for. It's that percentage of the overall width. Then take that length and add it to the lower bound of your distribution, and that will give you the x value that corresponds to that percentile.